Phone share movie ekoso wo eye emrahye bedwafie na edom kuma wo emrahye bedwafie na won mo ye san centrofo nhye mu no fa eye Suame interchange ni asanteman projects ahodo a na ese ekoso ba Suame interchange specifically won mo edi hu enkomo na nipa na wodi animu eye onimnyamfo Asenso Boakye ebe so ba Facebook Nhyira 104.5 join your Facebook na yentie no kakra na yewie mu nsem no medimu nkomo.
This government deliberately deprioritizing projects initiated under the MPP administration in favor of projects we can label at its own. If so, it is not Ghanaians, not political opponents who will bear the ultimate consequences. Want to deal with why Kumasi deserves better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation, modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Short-changing Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, I want to emphasize that the Suame Interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Suame Interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you.
Nhyira
104.5
we onimnyamfo Asenso Boakye Bantama MP. Of course, onukuro ya ebeye Roads and Highways Minister from February 2024 after nanado some reshuffling bi Nhyira Kwesi Amoakwata ni predecessor eja echi emano na this project Suame interchange no be say maka ho asem wo ha sa interchange hu project no Kwesi Amoakwata ene hyase a ole eye ehun nsem project no nsem wo parliament a Rose Committee transfer ehun nsem nyina 2022 ena wonum Rose Committee the report ba mountain na report no na da screen ni so no report no kire se Rose Minister Kwesi Amoakwata Tuesday 19 July 2022 and wode sa eye project no wonsem to parliament enim na wono hyase eka wonsem ma committee no agitumu se ye hia 140 million euros enunti na hu hia se wono ekoje eye ebesia bi loan bi ni ade committee no acknowledge ni nyina na oba the next eye page no a ochrefa enoma enhyehyeye ewom ni se de ebesia ye no nyina sika ye de beto no ma wo hwa 23 million euros ye beto general items ene kwan ya ye befa so ebe ye kwan ni nyina bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 da be hwa ade into the scope of work earth moving demolition na ebe koso a manfo se adan ana no ma esisi kwan ya ye bebubu ni nyina agu ni ade nyina bibia wom ni enhyehyeye ne ka ne ade ewom nyina na wo ba ase ho a Jeff calm down for me womo tro say about 15% of sika yehia no but before then I say project no ebe lasted for 36 months na ehya September 2022 that is where NPP aban under Kwesi Amoakwata as Roads and Highways Minister no wono gitu mu se Suame project be hya September 2022 ene da ho no na One said there was even advance payment guarantee. Sabre a committee no acknowledge we no. Now one say provision has been made for advance payment of 15%. I want to accept it within. Na sadie we about 10-page document and our reporter committee no de babontin. Ushemwa 2022 September na se project no ehyasie. Enti ekowremu wa parliament. Na before say committee no eye na adwuma nyina de awie no kra na amoakwata di kan de akoto parliament animu nti. Na parliament ahwe approve a loan of 156 million euros. That was in July. And that Facebook, July 27, 2022. And the Babontin said, Parliament approve Sir Bimba Jessica purposely for Suame Interchange. No. Nanado Eba Kumasi in Ashanti region. Eba Katesod on October 2022, 18th October 2022. And also the Dahono. Afei efri hono. Aban ebu yenichie. Yenhunu wa santimante mu biem Suame Interchange ho asem se ekose ba yenhunu eko eno na manfo hya ase se ye kasa ho en kasa fidie so mekai na nakwadwagya nto I was with him here 2023 wono mo hya ase a na obo akiri na eno na nam so ma wuntumi eba bebo mpaye se Suame Interchange or mpaye ama Suame Interchange se beya ebeba so titi ewuntumi bra Facebook aha na wote a o kasa asem no
Interchange, we are praying for you. The commencement of interchange become the reality, not cutting sword. That is why we are permitting His Excellency the President of Republic that the Ashanti region people are looking upon him. It's not that they are not going to vote. They have already voted for us as it done in 2004.
Enti se wo hwe wuntumi na osu frɛ nanado wabom ho pa yese mrem no osu frɛ nanado se wo mrem go nanado be kate sword no ti no wo kan se no short cutting alone o kate sword no wie no ye hu mu biem September 2022 na nka ese project ne hyase enti ka by 36 months in 2025 no anka nanado mbe hand over ne de na nka overlays ahodo no ya ye bebre awi anka ka ba bi kakra bibia be street lights no ne nchen kakra bi o enso by 2025 January and Canada hand over no ka expectation ne say ka project no ye wie kura dum pempenso anka ka bia light ne nchen kitten ye be sisi so bana masunti wuntumi cried out na in 2024 and nanado eti wuntumi esun say womra no obabe gina santima mu ka kire ye say interchange no first phase no a ye beye no na nke yehu se overlay no be miensa no de enam so o se 40 and we ndiga miensa no de enam so a ye behu se ewo ho na nanado be ka say e de kire.
Another important project in the Ashanti region is the construction of the Suame Interchange, the first 4-tier interchange in the Ashanti region. The project is progressing steadily. The 3 overpasses on the Asenso Road at Anumeja Magazine Road and Boakye, as well as 15 kilometers of roads around the Suame roundabout, are some 40% complete. It is programmed that these overpasses will be substantially completed before the end of this year. Works on the main interchange have also started.
Enti ose project no ye be complete by the end of this year or kasane 2024. Ekufuado ene kan. Na omu free aban mu no. This was the state of Suame Interchange. Abra omu free aban mu no emfuturu a na nipa na mu. Emfuturu a na nipa na mu. Bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Nebe hwe ade. Hwemfuturu a na nipa na mu as of that time. Oye se Suame Interchange no will be completed by that time, 2024. Behre State anewo. Behre State anewo. Na we ena minority na koye press conference na me bisa me ho me kai se me ne Nhyira Asenso Boakye ye interview ha. In fact, the Drew baby nya banta kra. He was making excuses with say to me because DDEP any IMF no explain, and he went on to say sena ni fast ni need the DDEP no one de buy me akoko enam de buy na wan economy no one na run IMF no one de yeko shame. These are the questions we ask. In fact, senkane wo Ghana ho do a abanya wa ba wa bobesia pa ma wo man yeka ekosoro kese pa was Nana Danko Egufuado. Bra Facebook be here debt accumulation under the various government. Rollins MI 3.9 billion. Kofo my 6.2 billion. Atamos my 26.2 billion. Mahama my 86.2 billion. Ekufuado MI over 619 billion. All free Ukraine running up to 700 billion because of the dollar exchange rate in Yadin. Nana Ekufuado ye pe abanya wonya sika pa say true besiani ade wonya sika pa Nana do Danko Ekufuado enti say sika no yentimi amfa bi se ye de behwe Asantemai roads Asantemai projects yetia apart from Suame interchange no kejetia phase 2 sika amunya ye nyina bebrebe nyina no mo amfumani anhwe ho. And then now Asenso Boakye stand say aban no ignore Ashanti development na Ashanti mpuntuo. Meanwhile, over 40 MPs amu Ashanti region opon sika na do besi awoji ni sika wonya nyina mo antimi anka mum anya press conference said mu ye empusu na do am first carry bia me develop Ashanti region. But today mu energy no to stand in sa bre no sika kra ba bebrebe no mo ntimi ampushi aban no so won kaya santeman eye ne stronghold mpo Crofro market afari military market hospital Crofro market ni afari military hospital no ena Sewua hospital ni nyina mo ntimi ankai se sika bebrebe no a aban bia wabaso aban a waje besia pa ni sika bedi ni nsem na nado mo ankai no so won fa meboaye. Over 40 MPs and betimi aye de lobby bebre mu anya hwe. Now munya hoden kasa bebre ti said ye mo do asanteman. Mo kasa ti said ye mo do asanteman. The core is legitimate. Min kasa fra mo frese project no mu nwie no eye bone eye good. But mo di ani mu you lack credibility, especially who Asenso Boakye. You became road and highways minister. Bantima MP for 1 year, February 2024. Edekwa almost 1 year because Nanado hand over in January. Almost 1 year no. Went me anya sa hoodi ampushia ban to do what is necessary. And now when you hoodi entienya waniwu Asenso Boakye. Call now mo calling the legitimate. And look at support. Munyai ma yen na yen force aban ni aban no yen keka mu aban no so mo nye engamo because you lack credibility when it comes to Ashanti projects. Sa aban nye over 40 MPs dia na mo ye kejetia phase 2 kura mo ntimi am force mo aban am na complete. You were there and now when you holding your press conferences any ade Chese ensem ni bi wo awo munyai ma ye wate na yen ka ho asem na yen pusu aban ma nye. Now you don't have any credibility to even fight for because what kra Asenso Boakye kra de wo sanso ba rules nim for 1 year won tumi ampusu aban so won tu ho anamo en kanana do kan no en ka by that time I say end of 2024 na nke ehu bibi sei Ekosi sen adani ye ho sa mo ye mo ho asa pretend say de mo do asanteman nti am to ashamed of yourself say ne mo ye dede for almost 8 years project yi crash asie no anya hwe 36 months na nka complete montumi amforso aban say sika ebem ba bi fa bia no yemfa bi meboa santeman na ha na ye stronghold mugya ya wane tena so akoye ye hu hwe and you are here organizing press conferences. Shame on you, Ashanti regional MPs, no. Shame on you, especially Asenso Boakye Awudi animu. Ukra the rules now. Nhyira 104.5. Abusia, meba.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5.